Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are test driving Ford Transit Connect 1.5 diesel Euro 6 2017 model, which came in with the DPF problems and some other problems. It's all been fixed. What can you say about your car? How was it and how is it today?
Yeah, it's a lot better today. It's driving a lot smoother. It's a lot more responsive.
No engine light?
No engine light. No faults coming up. Yeah, it just.
Would you say it's more responsive?
Yeah, it's definitely more responsive. Even probably more responsive than when I very first sort of got the car, or the van. But yeah, no. It's
is
nice
there any
drive.
black or white smoke you can see?
No black, no white smoke, no nothing coming out the back. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. You can reach us on 07533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, turbo, AdBlue issues. Thanks for watching. Thank you.